Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back my channel. In this video I present to you beautiful garden decoration ideas. So let's start. First of all, hanging garden. Hanging garden is a form of sustainable landscape architecture that can take several different forms, such as roof garden, make use of vertical space and create a stunning hanging garden. Indoor herbs garden. Love to cook with fresh herbs? Bring them into your kitchen with an indoor herbs garden. It is a way to add charms and functionality to your home. Vertical vegetable garden. Take your vegetable garden to new height with vertical vegetable garden. Garden design is the art or process of designing and quoting plans for layout and planting of gardens and landscape